So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to bold text here in Google Sheets. So it's pretty simple. Once Google Sheets open up, I want you to go ahead and type in whatever text you want. So I'm just going to type in the word text right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just make it a little bit larger for you guys, just so you guys can see it a little bit better. There you go. So I have the option text right here. So as you can tell, if you want to bold it, pretty simple. Just go ahead here, go to this top bar right here to where there's this B that says bold. You can also, if you're on a Mac, press Cmd B at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead here and press on bold. And there you go. It is now bolded. So if you want to see an unbolded version compared to a bolded version here, I'm just going to go ahead and make this 18. There you go. So this is an unbolded version. This is a bolded version. If you want to bold it, you can also press Command and B at the same time. And there you go. That's how you can bold text. If you want to unbold it, just do the exact same thing. Press on the B right here, and the text is now unbolded. So that is how you guys can bold text here in Google Sheets. I hope this video helps.